Knafeh, a dish older than almost any border drawn across the Levant. Born in the stone city of Nabulsi, where for centuries the bakers have risen before dawn to coax a tray of golden pastry and molten white cheese into something close to a small miracle. They say the people of Nabulsi have made keh-NEH-feh for so long that no one remembers the first tray, only that it was always shared. At weddings, at feasts, on the most ordinary of mornings, a wide copper round carried steaming through the old market, sold by the slice while the syrup still trembled. It asks for so little. A tangle of kah-tah-EE-fee, fine shredded pastry, pale as spun gold. A block of soft ahk-KAH-wee cheese, soaked patiently to coax away its salt. Sweet semolina, warm ghee, sugar and water perfumed with orange blossom and rose. First, the cheese must be calmed. Slice the ahk-KAH-wee thin and lower it into cool water, changing the water again and again, hour after patient hour. This is the oldest secret of keh-NEH-feh, drawing the salt away until the cheese is ready to melt into a soft, sweet thread. While it soaks, the syrup, sugar and water brought to a slow boil, then stilled. Into the warmth a whisper of rose water and orange blossom, the scent of a whole orchard folded into a single spoon. Let it cool and wait. Now the kah-tah-EE-fee. Loosen the pale strands with your fingertips until they fall apart like silk. Pour over the melted ghee and the fine semolina and turn them slowly until every thread gleams gold and ready. Press 2/3 of the buttered pastry into the round pan, pushing it down firm and even into a tight golden floor. This pressing is what gives keh-NEH-feh its crisp, shattering base. Take your time, lean your weight into it. Spread the softened ahk-KAH-wee across the pastry, edge to edge, a quiet white layer waiting to melt. Then cover it with the rest of the shredded gold and press once more, sealing the cheese inside like a secret. Into a hot oven it goes. Slowly, the edges deepen from pale straw to amber to a burnished, glowing gold. The kitchen fills with the smell of toasting butter and warming cheese. And beneath the crust, the ahk-KAH-wee begins, softly, to surrender. In Nabulsi, they bake it in trays as broad as a cartwheel, and the old bakers will tell you the true test comes now, the flip. A platter set over the pan, a held breath, and the whole golden round turned over in one fearless motion. And then the syrup, Pour the cool blossom syrup over the hot Kunafa and listen. It hisses and sighs and drinks the sweetness down into every golden thread. This is the sound the whole city waits for. Lift the first slice, and the ahk-KAH-wee follows, stretching into long molten ribbons that refuse to let go. Crisp above, soft and sweet below, the cheese pulling like warm silk between the pastry. This is why they have made it for 1,000 years. Scatter a green rain of crushed pistachios across the glistening surface, bright against the gold. Cut it while it is still warm, still sighing its faint steam, and pass the first plate to someone you love. Knafeh has fed the people of Nabulsi through celebration and through ordinary days alike, carried warm through the market, shared by the slice among strangers and family the same. It endures not because it is rare, but because it is given. Crisp gold, soft cheese, and syrup that still remembers the orchard. And the table, at last, is set.